Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x800703e6 install upgrade failed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script. Now search for command prompt and then click on run as administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Okay, I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. So in one go it will fix all the problems, but if it doesn't, then here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.